Configuring offline files. In order to configure offline files, first click Start, Control Panel, and you'll want to return once again to Folder Options. You'll see an Offline Files tab. In order to enable offline files, simply click the checkbox, and then you have a number of other settings that you can use. For example, you can have files synchronize every time when you're logging on, logging off. You can have a reminder display to synchronize every 60 minutes if you like. You can create an offline file shortcut on your desktop. You can encrypt your offline files to secure the data if you like, and you can also determine the amount of disk space that you want to use for offline files. By default, it's 10% of your drive. Notice that you can also delete current files, view current offline files, and if you click Advanced, you have a couple of options to notify you when a network connection is lost. That way you'll know that the offline file is not available for synchronization. You can configure an exception list for this behavior as well. Once offline files are enabled, and you have them set the way you want, you can then determine which files you want to make available offline from your network. Simply click OK. Simply access the network resource that you want, and you'll see here I'm accessing a shared computer that has a folder called Shared Docs that I want to make available offline. I can simply right click that folder, and I see I have the option to make available offline, and you'll see the offline files wizard appear. Click Next on the welcome screen. You can choose to automatically synchronize the offline files when you log on and off your computer. If you want to use that option, select the box and click Next. Enable reminders if you like. Then you can also create a shortcut on the offline files on your desktop if you like. Click Finish, and you'll see the synchronization process appear and complete as it's done. And notice that the Shared Docs now appears with the blue arrows, and I have a shortcut to the offline files that appeared on my desktop.